Hey guys, this renovated Colonial brings us right into South River. Has a paver driveway with the patio pavers. 7 rooms, 4 bedrooms, 1 full bath and a half bath. Has a basement unfinished, brand new central air, forced air heat, hardwood floors throughout, gorgeous kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, tile backsplash. All new baths, huge attic, close to all your shopping, and New York transportation. Of course, like usual, like to see it, need more info, shoot me a text. All the information and contact information is in the description box. Take it upstairs. Alright guys, that wraps things up here. Need more info, like to see it, just shoot me a text. Until next time, have a good one.